Every woman has asked herself this at some point. How do I make him chase me? The answer isn't in games, manipulation, or pretending you don't care. The truth lies in understanding the psychology of desire. Because men don't chase every woman, they chase the ones who trigger something deeper inside them. The first secret is mystery. When you reveal everything too soon, the chase dies. Men are wired to pursue what feels rare and valuable. By keeping parts of your world unexplored, you spark curiosity, and curiosity fuels pursuit. The second is boundaries. A woman who says no with confidence is far more attractive than one who always says yes. Boundaries show self-respect, and men respect women who respect themselves. When he realizes your time and energy aren't free, he invests more to earn them. The third secret is emotional contrast. If every interaction feels the same, he gets bored. But when you balance warmth with challenge, kindness with strength, you keep him emotionally engaged. This roller coaster of emotions makes him crave more of you. The fourth is independence. A man doesn't want to feel like he's your only source of happiness. When you have your own passions, goals, and a life that excites you, he sees you as someone he wants to be part of, not someone who needs him to survive. And finally, there's confidence. Confidence isn't about being loud or dominant. It's about knowing your worth without explanation. A confident woman doesn't beg to be chased. She naturally attracts pursuit because men can feel the difference between someone who is whole and someone who is desperate. Here's the truth. Making him chase you isn't about tricks. It's about embodying qualities that make pursuit natural. Mystery, boundaries, emotional contrast, independence, and confidence. Master these, and you won't just make him chase. You'll make him chase for the long run.